Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to recreate a look from a very well-known drag artist. This drag artist's name is Continental. I've met them a few times in various events. They do a very artistic, very theatrical type of drag, and I had the chance to meet with them a couple of times, but we just said hi and stuff like that. I saw this look from this artist and I was like, ooh, work. And I DM'd them and I was like, can you tell me a little bit about how I'm gonna recreate this look? And they gave me some tips on what type of adhesive to use and some, tips in general. So today I'm going to recreate this look, and I don't know, I kind of couldn't find white pearls, so I found black pearls, and I'm like, I could take my take on it. I'm gonna show you what it's tiniest size ever. It can't focus, so it's the tiniest size, and then one of the sizes I chose was wrong, so I don't know how to use this. I didn't even clean this. Miss Rona's gonna come get me.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
I have to do a little bit of skin prep. And one of the tips that they gave me was to clean the area that I want to put the adhesive with alcohol and find a pantyhose patch to cover my eyes and then put the pearls on. I don't know if you know, but I'm not a professional makeup artist in any means, and I'm not professional in these things. So this is the first time I'm doing it. There was no preparation, no let me try it first. Ain't nobody got time for that, obviously. So I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna give you tips and whatever I come across along the way. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go do some skin prep, moisturizer or a primer, and put my head cap on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the wig cap is on, and I'm going to go and do a very important step of putting anything on your face, which is prepping your skin, taking care of it before putting anything on it. I'm using Bobbi Brown moisturizing primer, and I'm gonna go in with a thick layer because I just want to protect everything. Maybe before I do actually primer, I should attach that pantyhose to my face and then prime the rest with one eye. So I'm getting a 99% alcohol. I'm gonna go over the area, close your eyes. You don't want an alcohol drop in your face, and just go on it like this. Such strong alcohol. Well, it's 99%. So I'm keeping my eyes closed. I'm going over it again, just to be sure. And from the other side, I'm just going to dry it out and wipe it off. And just do this. And it's all done, I think. Let me see how it feels like. Oh yeah, it feels like it's ready. Now I'm going to take another Q-tip. For the glue, I'm going to use Prozade adhesive, and I'm going to apply it to my skin for the first... Don't smell it. Okay, I'm going to go like this, I guess. I think I've heard that some queens even use this to block their brows. And that's cute. I mean, I have never done that. Maybe in a future video, I'm going to block my brows and see how it's gonna look like. Okay. I think it's not too thick of a layer and not too thin of a layer that I applied. I don't know if I went overboard, but we're just gonna wait and you know. In the meantime, I'm gonna go in with the primer. Skin and just trying to do it at the same time while the adhesive is on. But I think I'm being pretty precise. So if you're careful, go with it. So looking at the photo, they used the white stick to paint their face white, some pink lipsticks, and a cheek detail there. And now I'm gonna go in with a pantyhose. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's see. Be really careful, y'all. I don't want anyone y'all dead.
A few moments later.
So here, again, from the same place, I got a Bennye, if I'm saying it right, cream stick, white, Fond de Teint Crème Claire. That was the French one, sorry. So it's, yeah, cream stick. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Do I go over the pantyhose? And I think it's time to... Oh my god, where's my blender? Alright, so found the blender. Just gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna just grab a random brush and just powder this honey. Alright, so I wiped off some of the product from my beard using a makeup wipe remover. Now I'm gonna start going in with some detailing. Be by Beauty palette. It has 42 color palettes. So gorgeous, so beautiful. I'm gonna go into WHITELIES. Now we're gonna go, before I get into this palette again, I'm going to start with the pearls. I think that is like the most time consuming part. Dipped it into the same glue. Is this gonna stick? This is not gonna stick, bro. I think I have to be patient. And that's the thing that I'm not. Kind of worked. Gonna try again.
2 hours later.
So after a few tries, I figured how I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna again go and use the Prozade glue on a Q-tip, and I have the pearls on a tray, and I'm gonna like touch it and wait. The key is to wait for it to dry down. Now, because I'm using black pearl, it's kind of more tricky because it's gonna look messier, and you have to be extra cautious and extra clean, because if it's a white pearl, you're working with a white base with a white glue, so it'll look neater. So I'm taking a lunch break because, honey, this is taking some time. Cheers. Alright, after some time, I was able to get enough on my face. Now, the other thing that I wish I could have done is the pantyhose. I wish I had like brushed it black or painted it black. So note to you, if you want to do the black version, paint the base in black, obviously, but I didn't think of it. Now, I want to add a little bit of like a kind of a contouring thing going on. I go to the DRIZZLE shade. I'm just gonna brush it down, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Nothing too detailed, just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with the blush. Is that tiny bit? Go into the black color. I'm gonna go into the black color of the palette. All palettes have like a black color going on, and go over my brows to make it similar to Continental's eye. And gonna go over my mustache. Because I applied a lot of white and it has gone transferred. Some has been transferred to my beard and mustache. I'm going over it, but I'm only gonna do the mustache part so it kind of stands out, so it's similar to Continental. Now, one thing that I want to do is apply highlighter. And Fenty's Diamond Bomb, I think would go great with this look because it's a translucent highlighter and it can go on any surface. I'm gonna go with my lips. I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick again because I love a nude lipstick, and just go over it like this. So now off camera, I'm gonna go put some lashes on, put my wig and outfit on, and I'll be right back with the final result, finally.
One eternity later.
So voila, and here's the final result. Now, putting the wig on, it caused some of the pearls fall again, so I had to do that. I got a little bit of help from my partner to glue them back together. My cream kind of got smudged because I was trying to wear the outfit, but things happen like that. Make sure you go and check Continental Breakfast's Instagram and look at their inspiring looks. It is a lot of work. It is hard work. This is not something that I usually do, but the effort and the time that goes into it is a lot. So thank you all so much for watching the whole video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. So what do you think? Do you like the black pearl version of this look? Thank you all so much. Thank you for watching the whole video. Make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up and leave your thoughts down in the comment below. Make sure you follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and see what I do there. This was a lot of work, but it was all worth it. I cannot wait to see you all again. Have a lovely day. Thank you, and see you till next time.